Hello, hello, good evening, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So I try to do something here, no. So this time, my daughter and I was really happy and have fun doing exercise, just like dancing, and we're watching the video and following the um, instruction. So as you can see that my daughter and I were having dancing a little bit. So just want to share it with you. So thank you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel, and also for those who subscribe my channel. Thank you, and please watch and share my video, and thank you everyone. God bless. I hope you enjoy this video. I was just having fun with my daughter before we go to bed. That's our routine before go to bed. We have um, some stretching, exercise. So that's how we do it every time we have um, time before we go to sleep. So thank you so much. Hope you have a good day. Thank you. Thank you for watching once again. God bless you all.
Body workout na nagtatarget ng stomach or abs. Huwag kalimutan i-engage ang core, kada crunch mag-i-inhale. Rule of thumb, palaging inhale sa mahirap na move, exhale sa relax na position. Very basic na move, diba? Pero kasama dapat palagi ito sa abs or belly workout. Ano, kaya pa ba? Konti na lang. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Susunod naman, standing toe touch. Dapat straight ang both legs, okay? Ready? Let's go. Kaya ba? Kung mahirap, pwedeng i-bend ng konti yung leg na nakatayo. Maganda tong move na to, hindi lang para sa tiyan, pero para din sa legs and arms. Pangatlong workout pa lang to, kaya madami pa tayong energy for this. Let's go. Isipin mo yung kinain mong kamote kanina, 1/4
Isipin mo, kumain ka ng baboy.
kalahating square ng chocolate. 5 seconds. 4, 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Ayan, naka 1/5 na tayo ng
Ito ang favorite ko.
workout. Next move naman ay wood chopper left side. Madali lang.
Nag-ias ako.
Go. Up and chop. Angat ang knife, then chop it down. I-bend ang
Ano,
knees
extension
pababa
did
and
siya.
turn to the
Ita,
opposite side para full speed
magkonta.
tayo.
Outro na ta. So, bye guys. Ugita nag-intro gani. Bye guys.
Kumusta?
Ngayon, we are working out our
Kumusta guys? Uy, ang kilikili nakita. My God! Ang kilikili. Oh my God!
and one.
Nagawin kong dunggan. Gamay di kong dunggan.
Ganun lang din. Pero sa kabilang side
Dah,
naman,
dola.
easy na lang natin. Get ready? Let's go.
Nagiging